Picture this. It's springtime, the season of rebirth, the change from winter to spring, a comforting consistency. The first bloom after a frosty winter is a sight worth every glance. Paris, its allure magnified, transitions from winter's muted hues to spring's vibrant colors. Envision a relaxing walk along the Seine River, the city's central waterway. The serene water mirrors the clear skies, waving with soothing breezes. Before barren and chilly, the Seine's shores now host luxuriant gardens. The cherry blossoms, spring's tender messengers, reveal themselves in full bloom. Their vivacious pink petals, small yet powerful, light up the city. The blossoms compose a striking overhead view, coloring the city in pink tones. Each tree, holding the weight of numerous blossoms, speaks to nature's artistry. The spectacle, where petals softly fall, adds to the city's natural beauty. The weather is perfect, not too cold, removing layers of clothing, not too warm, having you seek refuge. It's a gentle warmth that envelops the city, a pleasant contrast from the harsh winter. Parisians, formerly homebound, now step out, their faces gleaming with spring's delight. Cafes and bistros, previously vacant, now resonate with activity, their patios filled with laughter. Storefronts display spring collections, while street musicians add to the city's dynamic energy. During this magical time, the Paris Marathon takes place. More than a race, it's a celebration of human spirit and camaraderie. Drawing people globally, the marathon intensifies Paris's springtime vibe. The race expectation, crowds, the triumphant finishers all add to the city's captivating spring aura. The city, in its springtime glory, provides a stunning setting for the marathon. Participants and spectators enjoy a truly unique experience, enchanting, motivating, and full of life. That's springtime in Paris for you. Summer arrives, vibrant and full of life. This time in France sees the transformation of the ordinary into the extraordinary. During these sunny months, the nation unfolds like a masterful painting, each brushstroke unveiling a depth of joy and fervor. The sun, the steadfast artist, employs broad strokes to illuminate the picturesque French landscape. It paints the sky in vibrant shades of orange, pink, and gold, crafting a panorama reminiscent of a Monet masterpiece. Its radiant rays disclose lush fields, towering Alps, historic castles, and pulsing cities, enveloping the nation in an ambiance. The French Riviera, France's gem, shimmers under the powerful sun. Its cobalt waters reflect a sapphire dream, while its sandy beaches mirror the radiant sunlight, luring sunseekers from all corners of the world. The Riviera offers more than merely sunbathing. It's where elegance meets tranquility, crafting a unique blend that's irresistible. In the midst of the sun's celestial display, the air pulsates. A beat echoes through the valleys and over the hills, marking the Fête de la Musique, a music festival held on the longest day of the year. Musicians and performers worldwide join the festivities, their combined melodies resonating through the streets and plazas, amplifying the celebratory spirit. Amidst the symphony of sounds, French summer reveals a visual feast. From Provence's lavender fields to Bordeaux's vineyards, every view is a spectacle. People decked in summer attire add to the vibrancy, their laughter and cheer heightening the allure of the season. In conclusion, a French summer is more than just a season, it's an experience. It's a fusion of sounds, sights, and sensations. It's an encounter with the simple pleasures of life against a breathtaking backdrop. It's a celebration of all that makes life worth savoring. France in summer is not just a season, it's an experience. Autumn ushers in a change of pace. The alteration in the environment is not immediate. It's a slow, gradual process that transforms the verdant landscape into a riot of colors that ornament the terrain. The leaves that were once a vivid shade of summer green begin to exhibit different hues with the arrival of fall. This shift in color is a clear indication of the impending seasonal transition. One leaf after another starts to alter its color. It's possible that a single leaf might grab your attention. A touch of vibrant crimson or a subtle hint of gold might stand out amidst the sea of green. Soon, another leaf follows suit, swapping the monotonous green with a varied range of warm hues. In no time, the trees appear to be set on fire with a mix of red, orange, and gold. The result is a breathtaking impressionist painting that seems to extend all the way to the horizon. This stunning spectacle signifies the plentiful gifts that autumn brings. The changing colors of the leaves mirror the metamorphosis taking place across the whole country, from the flat coastal plains to the rolling inland vineyards. The vineyards engage in this transformation as well. From the famed Bordeaux to the luxurious Burgundy, every vineyard buzzes with activity. Autumn signals the beginning of the grape harvest, a crucial event in the viticulture cycle. Rows upon rows of grapevines, heavy with ripe clusters, are carefully tended to. The vineyards come alive, from the whispers of the early morning pickers to the noise of crates being filled with succulent grapes. The grapevines, once adorned with green fruit, now hold the fruits of hard work, hinting at a potentially good yield. The air, crisp and cool, is filled with the sweet scent of ripe grapes. This aroma fuses with the fall air, leading to a rich, heady fragrance that becomes an integral part of the autumn experience, a poignant reminder of the shifting seasons. This smell holds the promise of excellent wine. Each grape, each cluster, every vine has the potential to produce a variety of wines, from the light and fruity to the bold and robust. From vine to bottle, each stage symbolizes the culmination of hard work, weather conditions, and the unique characteristics of the season and land. The grape harvest is not just a harvest. It's a grand celebration of the harmonious relationship between nature and mankind, producing something genuinely exceptional. It's the assurance of the potential within each grape, each vine, and every bottle of wine. Autumn ushers in a change of pace, and with it, the promise of fine. Winter in France is nothing short of magical. The spectacle of the landscape's transformation, as winter graces everything with a pristine white layer, is mesmerizing. Each snowflake descends from the sky, adding to the beauty, casting a dazzling shine on the alpine slopes. The mountains, once green, now present a breathtaking sight of untouched snow. At the foot of these towering peaks, the slopes resemble a pristine canvas, beckoning the adventurous. Expertly crafted ski trails wind through snow-laden forests, offering an exciting playground for winter sports enthusiasts. The thrill of the descent, the satisfaction of the ascent, and the serene surroundings make the French Alps a prime choice for winter sports lovers. Nestled in the valleys are the alpine villages, their charm magnified by the wintry landscape. Snowflakes dance around the traditional chalets, their rooftops heavy with snow. The air is crisp, carrying the aroma of wood-burning fireplaces. During winter, the villages resonate with cheer and laughter, as locals and tourists enjoy the season's festivities. The mountains offer a peaceful retreat, while the cities buzz with activity. With the arrival of December, Christmas markets spring up, each one brimming with festive delights. The aroma of traditional French pastries wafts through the air, and joyful carols echo in the streets. Wooden stalls glimmer with fairy lights, illuminating the handcrafted items. The markets are a vibrant mix of colors, fragrances, and sound, enhancing the festive atmosphere. The markets offer a variety of treasures, from artistically crafted ornaments to handmade toys and comforting winter beverages. The vivid sights, distinctive smells, and the hum of conversation create an atmosphere that encapsulates the season's spirit. The twinkling lights and festive decorations add a sense of cheer, capturing the essence of winter in France. Their twinkling lights and festive decorations instilling. Each season in France presents its own distinctive charm and a variety of experiences. France, a land known for love, art, and history, mesmerizes every traveler who steps into her embrace. Her allure is universal, captivating the hearts of adventurers worldwide. Whether you're a cultural connoisseur or a rookie traveler, France never ceases to amaze with its evolving landscape reflecting its dynamic spirit. It is a country that has successfully woven an intricate tapestry of nature's beauty and mankind's creativity. Spring in Paris is an ocular banquet, with the city transforming into a of colors. Take a leisurely stroll by the Seine, witnessing the ethereal beauty of cherry blossoms adorning the city in soothing pink hues, a scene that could easily be mistaken for a Monet masterpiece. Cafes are bursting with energy, buzzing with locals and tourists alike, finally emerging after winter's lengthy hibernation. Summertime reveals a distinct aspect of France. The French Riviera, boasting an azure coastline and sun-kissed beaches, is alive with vacation revelers. The verdant vineyards, bathed in sunlight, invite you for leisurely tours and tranquil moments. The glamour of Cannes Film Festival and the adrenaline of Monaco Grand Prix further amplify the Riviera's summer frenzy. Autumn in France stands synonymously with the grape harvest. The tranquil countryside, speckled with vineyards, beckons visitors to witness France's rich winemaking tradition firsthand. Wine festivals and tastings offer an opportunity to immerse in French culture, savoring the authentic flavors of France. Winter blankets France in a pristine layer of snow, transforming it into a winter wonderland. The Alps and Pyrenees turn into a hotspot for urban landscapes twinkle with holiday lights, and Christmas markets spring up, setting the tone for festive celebrations. Regardless of when you to visit, France promises a unique, immersive cultural experience. We hope this comprehensive journey through thee has given you a sneak peek of what France holds for you. After all, the best time to visit is heavily influenced by your personal interests and desires. Before we part ways, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and share with fellow travelers. We eagerly anticipate reading your comments. Which season in France has sparked your curiosity the most? Keep dreaming, keep exploring, and keep expanding your bucket list. Au revoir and bon voyage.